Now, a lot of people still understandably have a ton of questions about the vaccine.
Yeah, they sure do. And viewers have been submitting their questions through clickondetroit.com to our Dr. Frank McGeorge. And Doc joins us now live to answer some of the ones he's seeing and hearing most often tonight. Doc?
Yeah, Kim and Devin. So the number one question that I'm getting today by far is how will I know when it's my turn to get the vaccine? And specifically, it's seniors who don't live in nursing homes who are asking that question. The short answer is the state health department and the governor will announce when we can move into the next phases of vaccination and which groups that will include. At that point, we will have more details on where you should go.
Right now, the first shots are designated for frontline healthcare workers and nursing home staff and residents. Once those groups are nearing completion, expect to hear more details about when and where the next groups can get vaccinated. The Pfizer shot in particular is not one that your doctor's office would be able to store, so you'll likely need to go to a major pharmacy to get the shot. Some counties are also planning drive-through events when the time comes. Now, another very common question, how long does it take for the COVID-19 vaccine to be effective once you get it? The clinical trial found you won't have full protection until about a week after the second dose. Participants did have some protection about 10 days after the first dose, but it maxed out at 52% efficacy. The second dose boosted the efficacy to 95%, so it's definitely required. Now, several people have asked, if I get the first dose of one vaccine, do I need a second dose of the same vaccine? The answer is yes. Even if multiple vaccines are ultimately authorized, both doses need to be from the same vaccine. Now, a number of seniors have also wondered, is it safe to get my shingles vaccine at the same time or close to the time that I get the COVID vaccine? I would not recommend getting any other vaccines along with the COVID vaccine, since that vaccine alone can cause some side effects. If your group is called up to get the COVID vaccine, it's probably best to delay the shingles vaccine just a bit.
And I'll be answering more questions ahead, including, if I get the vaccine, why do I still need to wear a mask? If you have a question about the virus or the vaccine, you can submit it on the homepage at clickondetroit.com. Back to you.